It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 8th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Dry and mild conditions, temperatures well above average to close out the week. But as we head through the weekend and into next week, we begin to transition into a cooler and potentially more unsettled weather pattern with perhaps a chance at some much-needed rain here in the desert Southwest by about the middle part of next week. So let's get out there and talk about it. 79 degrees, the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 49. We are now about 9/10 of an inch behind where we should be on our rainfall. And outside right now, here at 6:15 a.m., we've got clear skies in the valley. We start this day out at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 23, humidity 32%. The winds are calm. The barometer is steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning, 42 at Fort McDowell and Maricopa. Those are the cool spots. Upper 40s to mid 50s for most of us here in Metro Phoenix. The water vapor satellite view, it's the same story that we've seen for the last week or so. A big cold upper trough over the Great Lakes, the Northeast, and out here in the West, it's all about high pressure with a dry northwest flow. On the watch warning map, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings extend from the northern Rockies out through the plains, including places like Des Moines, Milwaukee, Chicago, and Detroit. Convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather, maybe a little bit of thunder on the Texas coastal plain. And rainfall, precipitation, I should say, for the next 7 days here across Arizona. Maybe around a few hundredths to a tenth of an inch for us here in the valley. Heavier totals up in northern Arizona where they could see some snow. And we'll get into the details of that right now as we check out the models and see what the future holds. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at 500 millibars. Well, there's our same old ridge out here stuck over the east and northeast Pacific. A dry northwest flow, and down at the surface, you know the deal by now. Mostly sunny skies today, highs upper 70s to low 80s. I'd say 79 to 82 for the high here in the valley. Tonight, clear skies, a dry air mass. Temperatures drop off into the low 40s to low 50s. Tomorrow, same story. Sunny skies, upper 70s, low 80s. Saturday, we've got a short wave moving through the interior west. The tail end of that system clips through the Four Corners Saturday night and Sunday. Now, the day on Saturday is partly sunny, high temperatures mostly mid and upper 70s. Sunday will be cooler, highs upper 60s and low 70s with mostly sunny skies. Then on Monday, we've got a low beginning to develop over the interior west again, dropping southwestward, retrograding a bit toward the Pacific coast. Tuesday, that low starts to deepen off of the Southern California coast and maybe some widely scattered showers beginning to develop over Southern California. Some increase in clouds here in Arizona. The thinking has been maybe even a few sprinkles or light showers here, but for now, going to keep the forecast dry with high temperatures again right around 70. Wednesday, we still have that upper low off the Southern California coast. Moisture advection continues here across the southwest. Rain spreading through northwest Mexico. Here in our state, and specifically here in the valley, partly sunny skies, maybe an isolated shower, but right now, Wednesday still looks dry for us. Obviously, the details of this forecast are going to have to be fine-tuned quite a bit between now and then, but the message on the models here is that a period of cooler and potentially unsettled weather looks more likely by the middle and especially latter portion of next week. This is a week from today, Thursday, the 15th of February. That low-pressure area is still off the Southern California, northern Baja coast. Rain continues to spread northward. This looks like a very wet scenario for us if this verifies, with high temperatures likely maybe mid to upper 60s and periods of rain, mountain snows as well. This is great news if this pans out for the Southwest in desperate need of precipitation. Here's Friday the 16th. That still looks unsettled and cool. And then the end of the 10-day forecast period, Saturday the 17th, another short wave dropping down the west coast. A westerly flow, dry conditions at this point, but still some plenty clouds around here and maybe more precipitation just beyond this if this more active weather period does indeed pan out. Let's check the temperatures coming off of the European ensemble through the period above average for the rest of the week and into the weekend, but then temperatures getting closer to where we should be for middle February by next week. Highs upper 60s, low 70s, lows mostly in the 40s. And that is going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there. Have yourselves a great Thursday, everybody.